Guys, it doesn't take money to make money. I don't care whoever told that to you, but the truth is it takes knowledge and courage to make money. You can make money out of thin air, and I'm a living proof of that. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a business with just your smartphone as a youth, unemployed youth, employed youth, student, whatever, in Nigeria in 2021. So if you love to hear that, stick around till the end of this video and make sure you give it a thumbs up. All right, so first of all, a little about me. I actually have been into business for a long time, even starting from secondary school when I was, writing lyrics out for my classmates and, colleagues. Then we only had, we had these books that they used to write the lyrics of those songs then. But because I had a musical ear and I could pick out lyrics from audios, that was my skill. And I was able to write that on a paper and actually type it out and sell it for 15 naira. This was back in like early 2000s, all right, which was good money then. So I could do that on and on, but that's my first foray actually into business and making money. But once I got into university, I branched out and started building websites for people, all right, doing digital marketing. Digital marketing wasn't the word then, but I was building websites mainly for people, setting up emails and helping them manage their online presence. All right, people just did not understand how this thing worked then. So I was making money that way. And then actually, I made my first $10,000, just the year that I finished school. So I went to architecture school, and along the way, we used to do side projects. But when I started, going full-fledged into my online business, in the space of 12 months, I made about $10,000. And that was a real proof of concept to tell me that you can actually start a business from scratch, even if you don't have the money. Because I didn't even have the capital to start, right? I actually borrowed it. Okay, I borrowed that money because I had the courage and I had the knowledge and I had the skill. I knew exactly what I was going to do and how I was going to make the money. All right, guys, so there is no scarcity of money anywhere on the planet, even in Nigeria. No matter how tough you think Nigeria is, there's no scarcity of knowledge, but there's a scarcity of intelligence, wisdom, and courage. All right. So if you have the knowledge and you have the skill, I guarantee you people will be throwing their money at you faster than you can count it. All right. So I'm going to show you how you can actually start a business with your smartphone, because everybody needs to have that side income, especially when you're a student, or a young person in Nigeria. But there are some other key factors that will determine if you will be successful or not. And the first thing is time management, all right? Because except you're just doing absolutely nothing right now, you're either going to classes, you have, maybe you're committed in fellowship, as I was a worker in fellowship. I was very active in paramilitary in school, and I was also studying architecture and running my business. So you can imagine that I had a very, very packed schedule. In fact, I had zero leisure, all right, when I was in University of Lagos. But the idea is that I had control of my time and my entire day was packed out. Even till this day, I have my journals always with me and I write down exactly what I'm doing for the entire day. All right. I write out what I'm doing for the entire day and everything is planned down to the times when I pick my daughter, right, from school to when I drop her, to everything. All right. So you need to learn how to manage your time and take responsibility for that. So the easiest way to actually make money, either on the side, right, or you're starting a new business, is actually to find something to sell. You need to find a product that people want. You need to find these people and know where they're hanging out, where you can find them. And then you need to find a way to get the product into their hands, right? So find something to sell. The other thing I'll tell you is you need to have discipline. You need to have a godly amount of discipline. I was allowed to say ungodly, but actually godly amount of discipline and consistency. You need to find the right mentors. But these are all things that add up when you're trying to become successful, because you're not just trying to make some extra money here. All right, you want to become successful. You want to become a person of influence. You want to become a wealthy person. That's the goal. But right now, hey, you just need some, a few extra bucks here and there. So find something to sell. That's the easiest way. You don't even need to create the product. You just need to find the product. Hey, I'm creating a phone. I need to find the customer, and you come in the middle and you connect my product to the customer and you get a commission. That's the easiest way. In fact, that's how I've made the most amount of money. And even till this day, I make my income, my active income, from sales of other people's products. And after a while, I started, creating my own products. All right, so that's how I got into this game. So you need to find something to sell. Affiliate marketing, network marketing, online marketing, even offline marketing. Just find a product to sell, get it to the hands of people, and then you get a commission from that. All right, and that's exactly why I started the Wealth Crusade, so that I can, help the average person to build wealth from scratch. All right, that's my mission. That's what I wake up with early in the morning, and that's what I go to bed with at night. How can I help you, right, to actually build wealth from scratch? Building wealth starts from, increasing your income. So you need to find how to make extra money. You can start this journey no matter how young you are. I don't care if you're 14 years old listening to me. I don't care if you're 54 years old listening to me. You can start your journey to wealth. It comes with the right mindset, comes with a determination to be consistent, personal discipline and time management, finding the right mentorship and the positive community, and most importantly, finding something to sell so you can start making money, and then you can start talking about multiplying that money. So I hope this video helped you. If you're looking for how to get started, click the link in the description. I'm going to show you how you can actually start a business with 6,500 naira. So this is not free, but hey, it works, and you can make millions. I mean, this is not any guarantee. You only get out of it what you put into it. But if you're ready to put your head down, get humble, roll up your sleeves, all right, and work with me, I will personally mentor you to start your business and start making money from day one. Okay, so I'm ruthless like that. So if you're ready to go, click the link, watch the video, sign up, and then you'll get into my inner circle and start making money. So hope this helped you. If you did, drop a comment and make sure that you like this video so that YouTube can show it to other people. Thanks and God bless. See you on the next one.